Hello everybody! This is Paul Plays Games. I'm not Paul, I'm his wife, and we're playing Machinarium still. Teddy bear sucks. So I was doing some research, and I found out that this little guy has a name. I know we named him Botty Boi, and when I say we, I mean I, because none of y'all frickin' commented on this page. But his real name is Joseph, with an F. Joseph. But that's a stupid name. So I'm gonna keep his name as Botty Boi, and because the creators of this game didn't dare bother to give his girlfriend a name, her name's gonna be Betty. So I don't care that his name is supposed to be Joseph. It's Botty Boi. So let's go give this man his batteries for his bear. I feel real connected to this game. Like, when I play Minecraft a lot, like, I dream in that art style. And I've been dreaming in this art style, and quite frankly, it just makes your dreams beautiful. Like, for real. I do kind of wish that it were a little more colorful. Like, I like the color scheme because it matches up with, like, what's going on. And that you have, like, a little robot, and it's, like, robot world, and everything's, like, decrepit and awry, and yada yada. But I do kind of wish that there were more colors. So we can click this. Click it. Drop it. Robot it. Strangle him. Oh, he dookied. He dookied a dookie. He dookied a party hat. Okay. Open this. Screw you. Alright. So I can already see there's something. There's something here. There's a star. Alright. So let's do, what was number one? Triangle, diamond, triangle. Okay. Oh, it's a light. Just kidding. Triangle. Diamond, triangle. We did it! What are we... This is an elevator. Okay. Well, let's go up. 2 is a star. That's easy. I can do a star. My cousin taught me how to draw a star. I remember the day so clearly. We were sitting in my kitchen at the breakfast bar at night, and she taught me to draw a star. Alright, so we're in a hotel, which is real cute. They have the heads of animals on the wall. So this hotel is not vegan. There's some scissors. Ew, I hate those things. Like, how many germs have been on that paper towel? Oh, and there's a bomb, because I forgot that it was counting down to our impending doom. Can I do anything in here? Ah! No. Okay. This is another robot man. Hi, Robot Man. Hi. You pull that chandelabra. Chandelier and candelabra all mixed in together. Pull that chandelabra, buddy. Pull it. Okay. What's this do? Tell me what y'all think of the game.
Oh, it moves us closer.
Oh, there's a little man. Hi, little man. Let's watch his story. Once upon a time, there is a hairy turnip, and the helicopter landed on the pinnacle of the hairy turnip. Out of the helicopter walked 2 Canadian men. They're not Canadian. It just looks like the maple leaf, kinda. I know it's a star. As they tried to take over the land and claim it for their own, even though they're indigenous people, they wound up kidnapping one of the indigenous people and bringing him back and putting him on a chair in a hotel. No, actually, they went to the top of a phallic castle and landed there. Okay. Can you go backward? You can. Ooh, if we can stand on him, we can stand on top of him to get those scissors. Probably. Let's try that. I feel like I'm getting better at this game. Like, as I go along, like, stuff makes more sense. And kind of how the game operates and what I can and can't do. I've also learned to just, like, wave my hand around and it tells me what I can click. So, click! So eat those scissors, Betty. Don't eat scissors, kids. That could really hurt your intestines once it comes out. But that's probably the only part of your body it can hurt. Now maybe we cut this thin rope? I don't know, I'm just trying stuff. Cut it, brother. He was electrocuted. Ote. Turn the power off then. I completely forgot there was a bomb. Alright. So that'll be fun to disarm. It'll probably be a ridiculous puzzle that I'll never be able to solve and I'll have to edit through. Because, that's how this all works. Now what? Can I put him under the scissors? Like, will it stab the inside of him? Because the other vacuum had a light bulb. Okay, no, I can't stab him. What is this supposed to be? It doesn't look like a chandelier. It looks like a grappling hook. Ooh! Oh, what if okay, I can throw the grappling hook down the toilet and maybe hook on to the bomb? I don't know. Oop. Oh, it lit up. Okay. Can I put this in the toilet? I can. But it doesn't go down. Okay, thank you. Go down. Alright, never mind. Well, if I can't go down, I'll just have to bring the toilet up. Get it. Nice. Fresh. What do kids say these days? 100? Is that a thing? Okay, thank you. Stupid. Okay. Let's try to disarm this bomb. And it's gonna be timed. Like, I'm gonna run out of time and die and explode. Ugh. Okay. 1. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet so I can concentrate. 2. Okay. Why didn't I just leave it there? 3. Oh, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm like leaning up real near to this because I can't see up close. That doesn't make sense. If I can't see up close, I should be backing away from it. But the lines are so tiny. Did I do it? Oh my gosh, I did it! With time to spare. Wow. What does that sound like? Who does that? Wow, 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 wow. Birdo. Birdo does that in Mario Party. Whenever he gets, like, and yes, Birdo is a he, okay? Even though he wears a bow and a ring. He goes, wow. I can also do a really great Toad. That's exactly how he does it. Ew. Ew. Oh gosh, he's dribbling. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Literally dry heaved. Oh, I can't do it. Saliva. Oh, I can't look. What are you doing? We've already seen you skinny dip in oil vat. Joseph. Saliva's the one thing I can't do. I can't do it. It is absolutely disgusting. In every way. Like, there are too many permutations for me to go through. Whatever. The answer's probably around here somewhere. Like, ask me to change a diaper. I'll do it. Ask me to, I don't know, if someone throws up, I'm not going to throw up. But ask me to deal with saliva, and I can't do it. It's absolutely disgusting. I'm probably gonna have to, I'm gonna fail on that and have to edit it out. Ooh, I know what I'll do. I will solve it like a frickin' puzzle master. And then I will speed it up and add a hot track to it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Speed it. Dubstep it. I'm gonna see if I can find some dubstep country music, because I think that will appeal to everyone watching. 7.0108. 7.0108. What has numbers in there? Duh! The radio. Okay. 7.1108. 7.0108. 7. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, 108. 7. Ooh, I turned on music. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is disgusting. Ew, I hate it. Alright, get the key and escape. Alright, I use my mouse and I can't shoot. Oh, there's a gun, but I need a key. Okay. No! key. Sweet. That was simple enough. Probably gonna jinx myself now. I'm digging this music. I realize how weird I am. Like, earlier I was thinking, like, I wish I had a name that was a noun. Because if I had a name that was a noun, and we ever got pregnant, I could use that noun name as a baby announcement. So let's say my last name was Ham. I could put a ham in a bonnet with a pacifier. And then I could be like, baby Ham is on the way. And I think that'd be so funny. A ham baby. Oh my gosh, it kills me. It's so funny. Oh my gosh. So I have 37 little red guys to murder. I can murder red guys. That's what we said in World War II. Wait, were we allies with Russia? I think we were no. I feel like in World War I, we were not allies with Russia, because I feel like that was when, like, Lenin was in charge, and then, no, I feel like in Russia, Stalin was in charge in World War II, so we were probably not friends with him either. I don't know. It's been a long time since I took World Wars. Ah, fudge. Okay. So all I really have to do is murder them, and then Big-Headed McGee will be safe, probably. I lost a life. Darn it. Okay. I think you only get 5 lives. Sweet. I've noticed that there are little arrows on this side here that tell me that there are like 2 over here, but I'm getting further away, so nope. Alright, now they're below me. They're like 3 below me. I lost a life. Okay. I don't know how to follow those arrows. I'm just gonna wander around until I murder them all. Oh, I'm back where I started. Oh no. How did I not get those guys in the first place? Whatever. I probably went the bottom way. I heard once that if you're in a maze and you're lost and you keep turning right, you'll get out eventually. I don't know how true that is, and I'm not trying to, like, solve that right now. But I'll probably have to, like, Google that or something. Because I'm probably just lying to you all. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Are there any on this side? There are. Okay. So did he get infected with, like, a virus or something? Like, probably rabies, because he was foaming at the mouth, which is literally, like, so gross. I don't know how to get over there. Ugh, gross. Screw you! Dang it. Does that mean I got hit? I don't know what that means. Oh, I can see my lives at the top. What am I freaking doing? Okay. So I've... What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lives? Oh, now I have 3. Okay, I suck. I have 5 guys left. And they're above me. I don't know how to get on that side. That's probably the point of a maze, though. Figure it out. Figure it out, darn it. Am I going the wrong way? Probably. I should probably follow the arrows that are telling me to go up and to the right. But it just feels so wrong. Oh, there's a man! There are several men! Oh wow, all 5 of them. Don't do that to me! Oh, there's one more. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so stupid. He's below me? Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. I might just cut this out too. Yes! That's it. Winner! Awesome. Pulls it out of my head. Where's my girlfriend? Oh! Where's my girlfriend? He tells me to go to the elevator and make an 8-sided store. Oh, he gave me the light bulb. Perfect. And he's just gonna go back to reading, you creepo. Alright, whatever. That's all you give me is a pat on the back for rescuing your life? You were incapacitated. Oh my gosh, do I have the video camera on? Do I have the video camera on? Somehow I got lucky. I do not have the video camera on. Which is good, because I'm supposed to be nameless and faceless. Alright, 8-sided star. Let's do it. Let's go rescue Betty. He showed me how to do it. Oh, fudge. Nice. Let's go to the basement. Okay. There's a camera in here, which I don't like. I feel like people are watching me. Okay. He's like, I don't know what to do. Neither do I. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm really enjoying playing through this game. I think it's definitely a lot of fun. And let me know if you guys play it, or I know that there's a Machinarium too. So if you get ahead on me on that, do it. Like, play through it. Let me know if you want me to play the second one once we get through. Just tell me what to do, and I will do it. Except gross stuff. I won't do that, because I don't like olives, and I'm allergic to gluten and shrimp. So, not gonna, yeah, whatever.